They tell us for this that the H-shaped polygon, the second one here, is a scaled copy of the first one, the one on the left. We have to do a couple of things. We need to show one pair of corresponding points, and I'm going to use a different color for two pairs of corresponding sides, and they suggest you use colored pencils. Or we can do some labeling, and we'll probably do that along with completing the problem. So corresponding points, let's start with that. I'm going to go back to my red color here, and I'm just going to pick this point that's in the top left-hand corner of that first H. Corresponding means that it needs to be in the same location of the second shape, so the scaled shape. So if we're going to go in the top left-hand corner of our scaled H, that's this smaller one. If you're going to label it, the original one, you just use a letter. Call it A is fine. And the scaled copy, you're going to do an A with this little bitty tick mark, and you would call it A prime, actually. And so A and A prime are corresponding points to one another. So we're all set with that. Moving on, we need to do two pairs of corresponding sides. Doesn't really matter which side you use. I'm going to do this bottom left-hand part of our H here. That's our original H. Same thing, we can call it X, Y if we want to. And that means that this one would be X prime, Y prime. Make sure we see that prime tick mark there. And I'm going to highlight it. So that's one pair of corresponding sides, and we need to do a second one. Lots of sides to choose from here. Just to make it so it's not so cluttered in my drawing, I'm going to use this one, and I'll call this one BC. So the side that corresponds to this is going to be in this same location on our scaled copy. So the far right side of that H. And if we were to label it, we're going to use a B tick mark, C tick mark. So B prime, C prime. And so now we've completed all the parts of this. We've indicated one pair of corresponding parts, and I did that in the red, two pairs of corresponding sides, and I did that in the blue.